Hello guys, this boy Binky from How to PC. Today I walk you through how to download Go language in your PC or Windows machine. This step is very easy. You can go to any browser. I prefer that use Google Chrome and go ahead search for Go language and you see scroll down till you see go.div. Click on it. That is and go download. And choose your operating system. We use that Microsoft Windows from Windows 7. That makes sure that later version is Windows 7 and above, and click on it and you see it will download here and wait for a second until it downloads. After you download it, click on it 2 times. Okay, you see we hit next. Yeah, and accept the terms and next and next and install and wait for a second until that installation is finished. And click on install yes. It takes like half a minute to install Go language or Go program language. It will take time, half minute or 2 minutes. It's depending your PC process and RAM, etc. So you update the component registration, copy new file. Because I'm downloading before and install Go in my PC machine, that will be different from yours, may not take that time. You see, click finish and you are installed Go language in your PC. And this video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.